Number 1. Discover your next restoration project with this 1976 Chevrolet Malibu located in Chesapeake, Virginia. This classic car is available for $11,500 and offers are welcome. Under the hood is a 305 V8 engine with an automatic transmission, and it runs and drives like new. It has just 32,000 miles on the odometer and only one previous owner. The gold exterior features paint in excellent condition, and inside you'll find a tan interior that's in equally great shape. Features include air conditioning, AM/FM radio, power steering, power brakes, and eye-catching rally wheels. Notably, the undercarriage is rust-free. However, please note that the vehicle comes with documentation for a duplicate title rather than a traditional title. A potential buyer will need to understand the process for obtaining a new title through a bonded title or a mechanic's lien procedure. Additionally, the vinyl top requires replacement or removal, as this is the only spot with rust. This Malibu offers a solid foundation for someone willing to tackle the specific titling requirements and cosmetic work.
If you're finding value in what we're sharing, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us create more great content. Thank you.
Number 2. For the classic car enthusiast with a passion for history, here's introducing a 1989 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Wagon from Vernon, New York, with just 69,000 miles on the odometer. This is a true family hauler that has brought joy to its owners for many years, and now it's ready for new adventures for $3,500. Equipped with an automatic transmission, this Caprice offers comfort on the road. Inside, the air conditioning and heating work great, and power windows, power locks, and even a power rear window provide convenience. Noteworthy features include the rear-facing third-row seats and the ashtrays in each door, which have never been used, as this was a non-smoking family's car. The engine is healthy and sounds good thanks to a nice exhaust, allowing it to cruise confidently and smoothly down the highway. All systems are functional, and it starts right up without hesitation even after sitting all winter. Of course, like any family wagon with a history, it has its quirks. The primer gray paint job up close isn't the prettiest sight, and there are dents on some body panels. The owners have decided to part ways with it, as their busy schedules don't allow them enough time to devote to it, and they want to free up some garage space. This is a sturdy workhorse looking for a new owner. It's ready to hit the road right now, offering proven reliability at a great price. Number 3. Check out this incredible opportunity to own a 1983 Chevrolet CK10 Custom Deluxe truck located in Bedford, Virginia. This pickup truck with an automatic transmission starts right up and is ready for trips around town. The odometer reads 100,000 miles, and both the body and interior are blue. This truck will definitely need some tender loving care, which is clearly visible in the photos. We've driven it around town, but how it'll handle long trips is yet to be seen. It's a great option for someone ready to roll up their sleeves. This Chevrolet CK10 Deluxe is priced at $2,500, and the seller will consider offers down to $2,100. Trades for a bumper pull travel trailer are also a possibility. If you're looking for a solid foundation for your next project, this offer is worth checking out. Number 4. Check out this classic. Introducing a 1983 Chevrolet Classic Sedan, available in Statesville, North Carolina for $1,100. This car is being sold for an 86-year-old grandfather. Under the hood, it has an automatic transmission, and the odometer reads 200,000 miles. The car starts and runs. The exterior and interior are red. To get this Chevrolet Classic back on the road reliably, it will need a transmission flush and suspension work. Keep in mind, you will need a trailer for transport. The $1,100 price is firm, cash only, and the sale is as is. The seller notes that should additional funds be invested in the vehicle, its price would increase accordingly. This is a straightforward offer for those ready to take on the project themselves.
Yeah.
I guess they just got one. They got some more ones, you know.
Couldn't back it up, so he turned it around.
Number 5. Check out this unique 1965 Ford Fairlane Sport Coupe, available in Waterford, Connecticut. This Fairlane, priced at $5,300, has a 289 engine. The motor has seen significant upgrades: a new intake manifold, new valve covers, a 4-barrel carburetor, and a new radiator. The car has undergone a full tune-up including new plugs, wires, distributor cap, and rotor, as well as a new battery. All these components ensure reliable operation, and the car runs and starts well. Included with the car is new black interior carpet and a dash pad, which freshens up the interior. An external water pump is also included. Considering the recent updates and overall condition, this Fairlane, priced at $5,300, is a great opportunity to own a classic that's ready to hit the road. Number 6. Take a step back in time with this 1951 Ford Custom Coupe, up for grabs for $12,500 in Cumberland, Maryland. This blue classic with a gray interior ain't just a looker. It's racked up 76,000 miles on the clock and rolls with a flathead 8 engine, hooked up to a 3-speed manual transmission. Down below, you'll find a sturdy 6-volt electrical system with all the gauges and lights good to go. This ride just got new tires, shocks, and brakes, plus a fresh master cylinder, wheel cylinders, and lines, so it's ready to hit the road with confidence. This 51 Ford Custom Coupe sports an older restoration, and here's the kicker: it's bone stock, keeping its original vibe. Folks say it's a dependable and solid driver, meaning it's built for regular cruises. Sticker priced at $12,500. The seller's open to reasonable offers for this custom coupe. Number 7. Imagine yourself cruising down the boulevard in a 1976 Cadillac DeVille Coupe 2-door. This ride, nestled in Plymouth, Connecticut, is painted yellow with a sharp brown interior and comes with an automatic transmission. It runs, showing 87,337 miles on the odometer. The body on this DeVille is rust-free, and all prior bodywork has been taken care of. Inside, the brown interior is in great shape for its age, and all the power features are working perfectly, making for a smooth ride. You'll appreciate the newer battery, which means it fires right up every time. While this Caddy is a solid runner and will get you from point A to point B, it could use a little preventative maintenance. A tune-up is recommended, including replacing the belts and hoses. This is a straight shot at snagging a classic American coupe with its key structural and interior elements remarkably well preserved. You can drive home this 1976 Cadillac DeVille for $3,999. It's a solid ride for anyone looking to enjoy some vintage style with just a few things to tweak. Number 8. Introducing a classic reimagined, a 1968 Mercury Cougar XR7 Coupe 2-door from Stockton, New Jersey, priced at $7,000. With its gray exterior and black interior, this Cougar has racked up 128,000 miles and is driven by a manual transmission. The 302 engine runs like a charm, sipping fuel through a Holley carburetor. A significant amount of elbow grease has gone into prepping this ride. She's now sporting fresh rubber, a brand new aluminum radiator, and a new water pump. The 4-speed manual transmission hooks up with a new Hurst sport shifter, delivering crisp shifts. Stopping power comes courtesy of an updated system. Disc brakes up front and drums out back, along with a new master cylinder, wheel cylinders, and brake lines. The fuel system is also all new, with a new gas tank, lines, and pump. Even the headlights got an upgrade to an electric system, ditching the original vacuum setup. This Cougar also comes with a complete original light blue interior. The seller is only taking cold hard cash, no trades, and asks that you skip the "is it still available" inquiries. Number 9. This classic 1963 Ford Club wagon is available in Myersdale, Pennsylvania for $3,500. With 59,000 miles on the odometer, this blue-on-blue project vehicle starts and moves, offering a solid base for its next owner. Under the hood, you'll find a 390 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, both sourced from a 1963 Ford Galaxie 500 4-door model. Recent work includes the installation of a new gas tank and carburetor. The vehicle's frame and floors appear to be in good condition, providing a reassuring foundation for the restoration ahead. This club wagon needs attention to its brakes, interior, and bodywork. The seller states they've lost interest in completing the project, presenting an opportunity for someone ready to take on the finishing touches. It's offered as is, so what you see is what you get, making it a straightforward deal for a running vehicle from 1963. Number 10. In Littleton, Massachusetts, you can find a blue 1955 Chevrolet sedan delivery, priced at $20,000. The car is currently running with only 1,000 miles since its restoration. Under the hood is a 383 engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. This particular unit is factory number 225 out of 8,811 produced. The body is in good condition following a prior restoration, and the rear panels feature painted-on window simulations where roll-up windows or a tailgate might originally have been. The modification work was performed at Whitney's Rod Shop in Milford, New Hampshire. That said, the car needs a bit of attention to a few details. The current price has already been dropped to $20,000, and the price is negotiable. Number 11. For sale is a 1954 Buick Classic, currently located in Elizabeth, New Jersey, available for $22,500. This green car with an automatic transmission has low mileage, just 11,000 miles, which is quite remarkable for its age. Under the hood, this Buick boasts a robust engine and transmission that perform wonderfully. The car has been garaged, so there isn't a speck of rust on the body. All systems are in excellent working order, and the car is in pristine condition, ready to hit the road. The owner is in no rush to sell and is open to trades. He is interested in vehicles such as a Sprinter, an RV, a Gulfstream, or a Chevelle. If you have one of these, let's talk about making a deal. Number 12. Hunting for a classic off-road adventure? Now, it might not be off-road in the usual way, but the thrill of cruising in a powerful classic is definitely on the table with this 1964 Chevrolet El Camino Pro Street. Sitting in Warren, Ohio, and going for $16,500, this automatic rig sports a slick black outside with a cool blue interior, complete with bucket seats and a center console, and it's only got 12,345 miles on the clock. Under the skin of this classic, a hopped-up Chevy 350 engine is packing a 4-bolt main and a 10-thou block, breathing easy through a 600 CFM Edelbrock carb and a 4-barrel high-rise intake. Power gets put down through a turbo 350 automatic tranny to a Ford 9-inch rear end, set up with 4.10 gears and posy traction. The rear suspension is running dual ladder bars and coilovers, all tied into a fully boxed frame with a custom back half. You'll dig the power steering and power brakes, plus the mean rumble from the 3-inch dual exhaust coming right off the manifolds. This El Camino is a real peach, a great runner, ready for you to hop in and hit the road right now, guaranteed to snap necks everywhere you roll. The owner's game to talk trades on other classics, and if the deal's sweet enough, might even lend a hand with getting it to you. But when it comes down to brass tacks, cash is king for this standout ride. Number 13. Whether you're a collector or a restoration enthusiast, check out this 1966 Plymouth Belvedere coupe. It's located in Rittman, Ohio, and is available for $30,000. This California car looks super clean and still sports its original red paint job. Its odometer shows only 6,015 miles, suggesting it's been babied. Under the hood, this Belvedere packs a modified 383 engine paired with a 727 automatic transmission. A sure grip rear end with 3.73 gearing gives the car serious get up and go, and it runs like a dream. This is a car that demands your full attention on the road, as it lacks both power steering and power brakes. The steering is direct and honest. If you're looking for something with real punch and performance, this Belvedere could be a solid pick. The seller is asking $30,000 for it and is open to trades, but insists that any trade offers be brought to them. They're not interested in convertibles, motorcycles, project cars, or just plain old cars. They're looking for seriousness and a willingness to make a deal. Number 14. Up for sale is a 1972 Chevrolet Nova SS located in Hinsdale, Massachusetts. This is a true blue SS as evidenced by the vehicle identification number, where the fifth letter is a K. Such a designation confirms the presence of a 350 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor and an automatic transmission, which were standard for the SS model in 1972. This particular car has logged only 999 miles, which is quite remarkable for its model year. The car is currently painted red, though it was originally blue with a vinyl top. The previous owner gave it a fresh coat of paint, giving it a vibrant look. The car sports driver quality paint. It's a great cruiser, not a showpiece. New 15-inch tires have been installed, but the original 14-inch wheels are also included. On the road, the Chevrolet Nova SS handles great. The 350 engine and automatic transmission make for confident and enjoyable driving. The car is priced at $28,500 and the price is negotiable. However, the owner is only willing to discuss it once you've inspected the car in person. Number 15. A 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle has hit the market in Kerhonkson, New York. This automatic transmission car has a mere 12,345 miles on the odometer and is listed for $25,000 or best offer. Under the hood, this Chevelle boasts a big block 454 that's been bored out 30 thousandths of an inch and fitted with a mild camshaft. A new Holley Performer 750 carburetor handles fuel delivery, with all that power being sent to a Ford 9-inch rear end. The exterior is painted gray, and the interior is black. It's important to note that while the car is styled as an SS, it is not a genuine factory SS model. The body will need a repaint, even though it looks pretty decent in the photos. The interior will also need a new headliner. The seller is looking for a quick sale. It's a first-come, first-served situation. The car is available as long as the online listing is active, but please, no offers without a prior inspection to avoid wasting everyone's time. Number 16. Up for sale is a 1955 Chevrolet Del Rey from Cary, North Carolina. This black beauty is road ready for $29,000 and it's packing some serious upgrades under the hood. Under the hood, you'll find a 327 engine pulled from a 1966 Corvette, paired with a 4-speed Muslce M21 manual transmission. A new 11-inch clutch kit was recently installed, including the disc, pressure plate, and throwout bearing, ensuring crisp shifts. In the last year, the front and rear suspension have been completely refreshed, with a new Posey traction setup featuring 3.70 gears, fresh bearings and seals, and tubular upper and lower control arms. For confident road handling, this car features 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering, power brakes, and a lowered suspension. The interior is finished in gray, and for comfortable cruises, it boasts a vintage air conditioning system. The battery has been neatly relocated to the trunk, and there's a new fuel tank underneath. Complementing the black body are new 18-inch wheels and tires. The car has 30,000 miles on the odometer. It's solid for its age, with replaced floor pans and quarter panels in good shape. It runs strong and is ready for any road trip. The owner will consider trades for a 1969 or 1970 GTO, but asks for serious inquiries only. Number 17. Introducing a red 2-door 1962 Chevrolet Impala for sale in Sandusky, Ohio, priced at $29,500. It's clocked 123,456 miles. Under the hood, it's sporting a 305 engine mated to a turbo 350 automatic transmission, all managed by a low-car shifter. The interior is custom finished in beige, having been meticulously crafted by Amish artisans, giving it a truly one-of-a-kind feel. All the gauges on the dash are brand new. To keep you rolling with confidence, this Impala rides on new tires and boasts an upgraded braking system with front disc brakes. Comfortable cruising is made possible by a brand new power steering setup. This 2-door beauty is back on the market, as its previous sale unfortunately fell through. The owner has truly gone the extra mile on its mechanical condition and interior, replacing many key components. For $29,500, you're getting a ride with updated systems and a custom interior that's all set to hit the road. Number 18. Imagine cruising the roads in a classic 1963 Ford Galaxie XL500, available right now in Bluff City, Tennessee. This black beauty is listed at $33,500 and comes with a powerful 390 cubic inch engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The odometer shows 106,051 miles. The exterior is a classic black, matched inside by a newly installed black interior featuring original factory bucket seats. You'll also find a new power convertible top that works just right, making those open-air drives a breeze, especially with car show season in full swing. This Galaxie really is a nice ride. Finding a Galaxie XL500 from 1963 with its original 390 engine and 4-speed setup, plus these thoughtful updates, isn't something you see every day. It brings together its classic lines with practical enhancements like the fresh interior and fully functional top. Additional parts are also included, adding to the package for whoever takes it home. Number 19. Here's a rare gem that offers a glimpse into the past. Check out this 1955 Oldsmobile Super 88 convertible, currently located in Westchester, Pennsylvania. This car, offered for $38,500, shows a mere 71,000 miles on the odometer and recently rolled out of a local Oldsmobile collection, a testament to its meticulous care. The body gleams in a striking two-tone red and white paint scheme, complemented by a crisp white soft top. Shiny chrome and stainless trim really stand out. Inside, you'll find a harmoniously styled red and white interior. Under the hood sits a smooth and powerful V8 engine, displacing 324 cubic inches and pumping out 202 horsepower, mated to an automatic transmission. Driving is made easier with power steering and power brakes, and for passenger comfort, it's equipped with a power seat, an amplitude modulation radio, a power antenna, and seat belts. The car rides on radial tires with wide white sidewalls. This Oldsmobile recently had a service which included replacing the pump, cylinders, and hoses for the convertible top mechanism. Now, this Oldsmobile delivers a confident and smooth ride down the road. Number 20. Here's your chance to own a 1955 Chevrolet 210 up for grabs for $34,999 in Thomaston, Connecticut. This beauty packs a 383 stroker engine fed by dual carbs, hooked up to an automatic 700 transmission. You'll find it rocking a consistent burgundy inside and out. For its age, it's got air conditioning, power steering, and stops on a dime thanks to four-wheel disc brakes. Just 1,000 miles on the odometer. This ride is road ready, offering a straightforward driving experience with its modern parts. Full disclosure, there's an oil drip from the rear main seal and a minor power steering fluid leak. You might also catch 2 small paint bubbles near a fender and the front windshield, plus a scratch on the passenger side quarter panel. Since it's over 20 years old, Connecticut law means you'll get a bill of sale and registration, not a state title. The owner is letting it go to pick up a dump truck for their fleet, and they're not looking for any trades. Number 21. Discover the charm of history. In Hingham, Massachusetts, a 1941 Cadillac Series 62 convertible awaits its new owner at a newly lowered price of $39,900. This classic convertible is finished in a deep blue with a brown leather interior and a beige manual soft top. Under the hood lies a 346 cubic inch monoblock flathead V8 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission, while the electrical system retains its original 6-volt format. The car underwent a restoration approximately 7 years ago, including an engine overhaul and a repaint, and remains in very good condition to this day. All body panels are solid, appear original, and are well fitted. The chrome, trim, and emblems are also in very good shape. The brown leather interior, walnut dashboard, and beautiful gauges create a comfortable atmosphere. This is one of only 3,100 examples of the Series 62 convertibles in the 62-67 style, equipped with wide white-wall tires on factory steel wheels with signature Cadillac hubcaps. Despite having been driven sparingly over the past 7 years, it starts right up, drives, and handles beautifully. Of course, there are a few things to note. The speedometer works intermittently, and the odometer, wipers, clock, radio, and power antenna are not functional. The heater system is connected, but not currently working. The aging canvas top has some minor discoloration that could be cleaned, but it's in very good condition with no rips or tears, and its mechanisms operate smoothly. There is minor corrosion on the bumpers. Included with the car are a clear title, wiring diagrams, a convertible top boot, and a full car cover. Number 22. For sale is a 1977 Chevrolet Corvette hardtop coupe available in Gwynn Oak, Maryland for $13,000. This 1977 Corvette is equipped with an automatic transmission and has only clocked 26,851 miles. It's been in the same family for 40 years, where it was carefully garaged. Most of the car consists of original parts, a testament to consistent upkeep. The eye-catching orange exterior attracts attention, and under the hood, it recently got a brand new battery. All of this indicates that the car has been kept in good running order. In its current condition, this Chevrolet Corvette shows the result of decades of care. It's not just waiting for a new garage, it's road ready. This is an ideal find for those who appreciate vehicles that have been through the hands of a single owner with such attention to detail. Number 23. Step back in time with this iconic 1949 Plymouth Special Deluxe convertible, which awaits in Edenton, North Carolina. This super clean car, red with a beige interior, is offered for $22,500. Under the hood is a flat-six engine, paired with a manual 3-on-the-tree transmission. This offers a unique driving experience, a far cry from modern cars. What's more, the convertible features a working power soft top that effortlessly drops for open-air cruising. The odometer on this Plymouth reads 999,999 miles. This Plymouth Special Deluxe comes with a clean title, making for an easy transfer of ownership. It's ready to hit the road and make new memories. 24. Looking for a classic road adventure? This 1976 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray convertible two-door is ready for a new driver in Brunswick, Ohio, listed at $16,750. It's got a white exterior and a beige interior, and this automatic Corvette is clocking in at 20,000 miles. Under the hood, the original 150 horsepower 350 small block Chevy is long gone. Instead, it's packing a new $12,000 383 stroker motor from Summit, cranking out 500 horsepower. This V8 has fewer than 100 miles on it, and let me tell you, it lays down some absolutely incredible raw power sounds. But that's not all. The brakes, power steering, and suspension have all gotten a complete overhaul. The total tab for these upgraded parts, including the motor, is already pushing past $18,000. The owner is currently putting the finishing touches on some interior cosmetic bits. They plan to complete this work in the next week or so, and then list it for top dollar. If you want to snag it as is and finish those last few details yourself, here's your chance to make an offer. The owner is taking cash offers and is open to meeting up to talk shop. Number 25. This sweet classic 1978 Chrysler New Yorker sedan four-door located in Corinth, New York is available for $7,500. This particular model boasts an original 39,943 miles and comes with a clean title. Under the hood of this gold-on-gold sedan is a 400 big block V8 engine hooked up to a 727 automatic transmission. The car's been garaged and it looks super clean inside and out. Inside, you'll find the Brougham interior, also in gold with a really cool detail. It still has its original dealer plastic floor mat on the driver's side. It comes packed with period correct features, including air conditioning, power steering, power windows, power trunk release, and power seats. For staying connected on the road, it has a Citizens Band radio installed, and the driver gets to enjoy a tilt and telescoping steering column. There's a slight exhaust leak from an unknown source that hasn't been taken care of yet. Even with that, the car is ready to hit the road, making its $7,500 price tag a no-brainer for a well-maintained ride with low original miles. Time.